Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can split data for your cells and documents on Google Sheets really quickly. So it is very simple and you absolutely don't need any technical skills. So let us get started. Head over to your document on Google Sheets. And let's say you have a cell like this here with a random value, which in this case here is 5,000. So now you would like to split that data into a 5 and a 0, for example. This is how you can do it, guys. Simply select a given cell with your left mouse. After that, head over to data at the top here and select split text to columns from that menu below. And as you can see now, if you do that, the given cell with the included data will be split into separate sets of data with the 5 and 0 here to the right. And what you may also do, guys, is choose a specific separator by clicking on that drop-down menu here and select, let's say, a comma or a semicolon or period or space as your separators. Let me go with a comma. And that's basically it, guys. And you can apply that to any value and cell with included data you like here in your spreadsheets. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.